Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how to make this cheesecake. It's going to be an eggless cheesecake. I already have a ready crust that I purchased from the store. What you need is 1 can of condensed milk and 2 of the Philadelphia cream cheese, and you also need 1 lemon or lime. I would use the lemon, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the cream cheese and the condensed milk in my bowl and whip everything together. Okay, so I have my cheese batter here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my in the pan, in the crust. Okay, so I have put it in the mix in the crust. I put the mixture in the crust already, and I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for about 25 minutes in 350 degrees. So here's my cheesecake. It just came out of the oven. Now you just want to put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour till it completely cools down. The reason it's broken up a little bit because you probably need more of the orange juice or the lime juice. That's why it's kind of broken up. And plus I had my oven high, but really no big deal. Once it cool down, it'll be really good. At this point you want to go ahead and add any topping that you want, or you could just eat it plain. I'm just gonna leave it plain like this and cut it up for my kids. So guys, if you like this video, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and bye.